Huawei launched its new Nova series phone in China called Huawei Nova 16 SE. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 16 SE features a tall 6.84-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 8,000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Kirin 8020 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Nova 16 SE sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.9 aperture, and for selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 8,500 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Harmony OS 6.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.3 by 78 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 229 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 16 SE has been priced in China for 128GB storage variant at 2,499 Chinese yuan, while the 256GB storage model is priced at 2,699 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 512GB storage option is priced at 3,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Starry Black, Sky White, Dawn Orange, and Sakura Snow Sky color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 16 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.